Imagine a world where a mother bird's nest is equipped with a tiny thermostat to keep her eggs at the perfect temperature, thanks to cutting-edge technology. This may sound like science fiction, but it's actually a reality, and it's just one example of how technology is being used to study animal parenting. Researchers are using all sorts of innovative tools, from tiny cameras to advanced sensors, to learn more about how animals care for their young. One area of focus is on the different parenting styles of various species. For example, some birds are very hands-on, feeding and cuddling their chicks constantly, while others are more laid back, leaving their young to fend for themselves. By studying these different approaches, scientists can gain a better understanding of what works best for each species, and how human parents can learn from them. Another important aspect of animal parenting research is the study of nurturing behaviors. This refers to the ways in which parents care for and support their offspring, from feeding and grooming to protecting and teaching. Researchers are using technology to track and analyze these behaviors, and what they're finding is really fascinating. For instance, some species of fish are able to recognize and respond to their own offspring, even in a crowded school. This kind of research has some really interesting implications for human parents too. By learning more about how animals balance the needs of their young with their own needs, humans can gain insights into how to be better parents themselves. It's not just about providing food and shelter, but about creating a nurturing environment that allows children to thrive. And with the help of technology, scientists are able to study animal parenting in greater detail than ever before, from the way a mother's brain changes when she has babies, to the complex social behaviors of animal families. So, what exactly are scientists learning from animal parents, and how can we apply it to our own lives? Well, for starters, they're finding that many animals are incredibly devoted parents, often going to great lengths to care for their young. Take, for example, the wolf mother, who will often sacrifice her own food and safety to protect her pups. Or the emperor penguin, who balances its egg on its feet and incubates it for weeks, while the father penguin hunts for food. These animals are showing us that parenting is not just about providing basic needs, but about making sacrifices and putting our children's needs above our own. But technology is also allowing us to study the more subtle aspects of animal parenting, like the way a mother's voice can affect her baby's development. For example, scientists have found that baby monkeys who are exposed to their mother's soothing voice are more likely to develop healthy stress responses and social skills. And it's not just about the voice itself, but about the emotional connection that comes with it. This is something that we can definitely apply to our own lives by making an effort to connect with our children on a deeper level, and to provide them with a sense of security and comfort. As we continue to learn more about animal parenting, we're also gaining insights into the importance of community and social support. Many animals, like elephants and dolphins, live in complex societies with multiple caregivers and role models. And it's this kind of community that can provide a safety net for families and help them thrive. So what can we learn from these animal societies, and how can we apply it to our own lives? Check out our next video, where we'll be exploring the fascinating world of animal social behavior and what it can teach us about building stronger, more supportive communities.